Okay, we got it all. It's losing light here. I need to get the pipe in the ground, but I got it all graded out. I'm probably going to have, I don't know, somewhere around 5 inches at the end of fall, so it should work out good. Not very straight right there because the van's in the way, but I'm going to have to do a little digging on the tail end when I'm done down there, but so here's the next morning, and we went ahead and got the pipe all in, and we need to clean all this up here yet. But we got the pipe in, so it'll drain real good now.
What?
So
What?
let's go over here and take a look. Come on.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing there?
Got it all backfilled.
I'm so mad right now. What are you doing?
Okay. Only thing is, we still need to do a little bit over here at the very end, because these vans are in the way. I can't cut it any deeper. I can't grade it out. So, in order for me to have gotten the 5 inches of fall from there to there, I had to cut this. I was going to just have it come out level, so that way it just spread out over here. But unfortunately, it would have been level from there to here. I mean, with no fall. So, I didn't want to do that. And so basically, I had to cut this out here to, get it out. But it's still, it kind of backs up right about to here. So this here needs to be cut down. What I need to do is get these out of here and regrade this out here, and we won't have a problem. We'll be in good shape. Take some of the rock and set it aside, cut the dirt down, and then bring the rock back in. And then we won't have any problems at all. So, but for now, we might have to get over here with the pickaxe. And, I mean, it'll drain, but it's going to be backed up a little bit, because it does get a little high right here. So, with all this stuff in the way, it makes it pretty tough.